Hi dear friends, this is VideoPad and I will show today how to zoom in VideoPad and how to animate zooming effect in VideoPad. So this is our image, let's drag and drop it onto timeline. And what I will do first, I will extend its duration because right now it's half second. It's not enough to see well the effect, so let it be something like 5 seconds. I think it's good. Now, this is our image. I do right click on it and finding effect in a list. Okay, and now I'm adding effect and finding here zoom. Okay, zooming. So we have our 4 borders of our rectangle of the area which is visible on your screen. Firstly, we can choose aspect ratio, whether it will be 5:4 or 1:1 or whatever, and I will choose 16:9. Okay, and I'm clicking on this point and holding left click of my mouse, doing it like all the area to be covered by this rectangle. Now you can change the area as I shown you by clicking on the point and moving, sliding it here, there, or you can slide these sliders, changing the position of the border. Now, how can you zoom? If you choose the rectangle to be smaller than your original image, then you will get the image like zoom in. Okay, so we zoomed in. Okay, let's move our rectangle. I'm holding on it. Let's move it here. Now this area should be visible. Let's see. Yes, it is. Or we can do the animation. For example, at the very beginning we want this area to be visible. I did double left click on the image to see this rectangle. Okay, so let's say at the very beginning you want this rectangle to be visible, this area. So we're adding our first keyframe, and then at the very end you want to change the area for zooming in, like for example here. Okay, I click here to choose preview effect, and let's see. Okay, I think it's too sharp at the very end, so I will move a little bit our keyframes at time. I will move, like changing to start earlier, and let's see now. Now it's better, smoother. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Bye.